Hello students, myself Srimati Ranjana Bandare, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Hulkoti. Here in this video, we are going to have a discussion on BSc 5th Sem Paper 2 Numerical Methods, and this is the 5th session in this topic, finite difference. And here we are going to study the how to find the missing terms in the given table. And for this one, we are going to use this theorem. The statement as follows. Prove that the nth difference of a polynomial function of degree n in x is constant and n plus 1th difference is 0. So here we have to prove that the nth difference of a polynomial function. That means if the polynomial is of nth degree, then the nth difference will be constant and the next difference, that is n plus 1th difference, is 0. The proof follows like this. So first we are going to consider the nth degree polynomial and then we are going to find out one by one forward differences. So let f of x be the nth degree polynomial, that is f of x is equal to an into x raised to n plus an minus 1 into x raised to n minus 1 plus an minus 2 into x raised to n minus 2, so on up to a1x plus a0. Let it be called this one as equation number 1, where a0, a1, a2 and an are all constants, and particularly it is a polynomial of nth degree, so that an should not be equal to 0. Since x changes by equal intervals, that is x takes the values x, x plus h, x plus 2h and then so on. So we are going to substitute x is equal to x plus h in equation number 1. So by substituting we get f of x plus h is equal to an into x plus h whole raised to n plus an minus 1 x plus h raised to n minus 2 plus a1 into lastly a1 into x plus h plus a0, and let it be called this one as equation number 2. Now forward difference of f of x is nothing but it is f of x plus h minus f of x. So by substituting equation 2 and 1 we get f of x plus forward difference of f of x is equal to, so by substituting these two values and after simplification we get an into n into h into x raised to n minus 1 plus bn minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 plus bn minus 3 x raised to n minus 3, so on up to b1 into x plus b0, and let it be called this one as equation number 3, where these b0, b1, b2 so on up to bn minus 2 are all constants, and by observing this one we come to know that it is a polynomial of degree n minus 1. So that means the one observation is the first forward difference of f of x is nothing but it is a polynomial of degree n minus 1. Now calculate the second forward difference. The second forward difference of f of x is f of x plus first forward difference of f of x plus h minus first forward difference of f of x, and substituting and after simplification we get the second forward difference of f of x is equal to an into n minus 1 into h square raised to x raised to n minus 2 plus cn minus 3 x raised to n minus 3 plus en minus 4 x raised to n minus 4 plus so on up to c1 into x plus c0, where all these c0, c1, c2 and cn minus 3 are constant. And by seeing this one we can observe that the second forward difference of f of x is nothing but it is a polynomial of degree n minus 2. So continuing this process, the nth difference of a polynomial f of x is nothing but it is of degree n minus n. So that we can say that the nth difference of the function f of x is constant. That is, nth forward difference of f of x is it is an into n minus 1 so on up to h raised to n into x raised to n minus n, that is equal to an into n factorial into h raised to n. And as the nth difference is constant, so the n plus 1th difference becomes 0. So this is the proof of the theorem. So using this one, we shall solve some of the examples. So first we have find the missing terms in the following table. So here they have given x and corresponding y values, and here we have one, the term is missing. That means we have to find out y, the value of y when x is equal to 5. So here first we are going to consider, let the missing entry be A. So that missing entry we are going to consider it as A, and we are going to construct the difference table. So in the first column we are going to write the x values, and in the second column corresponding y values, and then we shall calculate the first forward difference. So here the first forward difference is nothing but it is the difference of the these two terms, that is 49.2 minus 45 gives 4.2, and the difference of 54.1 minus 49.2 gives 4.9, and the difference of a and 54.1 we can write it as a minus 54.1, and the difference of 67.4 and a gives 67.4 minus a. And using these first forward differences we are going to calculate the second forward differences. That is, here the difference of 4.9 and 4.2 is 0.7, and the difference of these two terms is it is a minus 59, and the difference of these two terms is nothing but we have 121.5 minus 2 into a, and then calculate the third and then fourth. So here we have only one missing entry, so we are going to calculate these forward differences until we have the only one equation remains. And then, so assuming that the third forward difference is constant, we have the fourth forward difference as 0. So that is equate the fourth forward difference as 0, and solving we get a is equal to 60.05. That is the missing entry will be it is 60.05. So next consider the another example. So here find the missing terms in the given table. So here we have two missing entries, that is we have to find out f of 2 and f of 4. So here also we are going to consider the first and the second missing entries as correspondingly A and B, and then consider the difference table. In the first column we are going to write the x values, in the second column the corresponding y values, and then calculate the first, second and then third forward difference. And we know that as we have the two missing entries, so in the last column it should remain the two equations, because to get the unknown values the number of equations should be equal to number of unknowns. So here we are going to stop this forward difference when we will get the two equations. So here assuming that the second forward difference is constant, so we have the third forward difference will be it is 0. That means in the third forward difference we have these two equations, that is 3a plus b minus 172 and minus a minus 3b plus 228. So equate these two equations to 0, and as these two equations are simultaneous equations, so solving these two equations we get a is equal to 36 and b is equal to 64. That is the missing entries are 36 and 64. So similarly we can solve these exercise problems, and these are the references which we have used for this video. Thank you for watching the video.